Hi, I'm Martin from Borderlands Outdoor. In this series of videos I'm going to tell you about the 4 Ds of navigation: direction, distance, duration and description. In this video we're going to focus on direction. The first step to working out which way you need to go is to get your map lined up with the way things are in real life. There are 2 main ways of doing this. One is to line the map up with the features that you can see around you. The second is to use your compass. Either way, this is known as orientating your map. To orientate the map by the features, we need to have a good look around us for anything that will definitely be marked on the map. Here we have a large building, a wooded area, and a track leading to a roundabout. Now, if we take a look at our small-scale orienteering map, we can try to find those features. Here's the building, the black area. Here's the wooded area. And here is the roundabout with the track leading up to it. So I'm standing here on the road with the roundabout just ahead of me. If I look on my map, here's the roundabout, but if I hold it this way around, it appears as though the building, the large black area, should be behind me, whereas in reality it's on the opposite side of the roundabout from me. By turning my map around the other way now, everything lines up correctly. So I have the road, the roundabout and the building. So this map is now orientated. This is a small-scale orienteering map, but it's just a way of giving an example of how this works. You can do much the same thing with standard walking maps. Our second way of orientating the map is by using the compass. With the knowledge that the red needle in the compass should always point to north, we can simply turn the map until the top northern end is pointing in the same direction as the compass needle. As you can see, the map is now lined up as it was before. This is a much simpler method than using the features to orientate your map, but there's real benefit to orientating a map using the features as well. I could put a paper bag over my head and use a compass to make my map point the right direction, but I still might have no idea where I am because I haven't been paying attention to my surroundings. So it's a real useful technique is pay attention to your surroundings first, and then line your map up with real life. One final word on the compass. There is such a thing as magnetic variation. Now this relates to the fact that where the compass needle points to is the magnetic north pole of the Earth, which is not the same place as the top of your map. Now there is a very slight difference between these 2 points at the moment, and in years to come it will become bigger. At the moment it's worth being aware of, but not worrying too much, because for at least the next 5 to 10 years in the United Kingdom we don't need to be concerned about magnetic variation when we're out and about in the countryside. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this guide useful. Take a look at more of our videos for other useful outdoor and navigation tips.